90% of people buy stocks after they already go up, and that's exactly why they miss the real profits. But what if I tell you you can find stocks before they explode? In this video, I'll show you a simple method to find multi-year breakout stocks even if you're a beginner. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you a real example that can change the way you trade. First, let's understand this quickly. A multi-year breakout happens when a stock crosses its highest price of the last 3, 5, or even 10 years. Why is this powerful? Because when a stock crosses such a big level, there is no resistance left, and that's when big money enters. That's where the real rally begins. Now let's get to the practical part. Step 1. Go to TradingView and open the stock screener. Step 2. Apply this simple filter. Set the price to near 52-week high. Step 3. Now check the chart and zoom out to the weekly time frame. You're looking for stocks that are about to break or already breaking their multi-year resistance. But wait, don't jump in yet. Here's the mistake most people make. They buy immediately after breakout, and then the stock falls. So here's the smart entry. Wait for a retest. If the stock comes back, take support, and then starts going up again, that's your confirmation. Let me show you a quick example. See this level? This was resistance for years, and once it broke, the stock gave a massive move. This is exactly what you're trying to catch. And here's the golden rule. Always keep a stop loss below the breakout level, because not every breakout works. If you start using the strategy consistently, you'll stop chasing stocks and start catching them early. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more such high-profit strategies. And comment "Breakout" if you want me to share more such stock setups. See you in the next one.